Ever since I was a kid, I've always loved taking a trip to the pumpkin patch every fall and picking out that perfect pumpkin to take home and carve into a jack-o'-lantern for Halloween. But I've always wanted to grow my very own pumpkin patch, and I've tried a few times over the years, without much success. This year, I kicked it up a notch and planted a 1/8 acre pumpkin patch that's finally ready to go. So let's get harvesting. Wow, look at the size of this pumpkin. This variety here is called Knucklehead. It's really cool. It has warts on it. In addition to the classic jack-o'-lanterns and the warted pumpkins, I also decided to grow some pie pumpkins. These pumpkins are commonly used to make pumpkin pie because of their dense, sweet guts. I also grew a row of white pumpkins. Look at how amazing these white pumpkins are. It's absolutely fantastic just how many I've got. Probably 3 or 4 on each plant, and I've got about 30 plants in this row. So there should be close to 100 pumpkins here, if my math's correct. Hey growers, it's the next day. I'm back at my pumpkin patch. It's time to finish up the harvest, hopefully before it rains. Look at the size of that pumpkin. Crazy. Try to get as much stem as possible because that way you'll decrease the chance of the pumpkin rotting early. Plus, the stems just look really cool. I can just taste the pumpkin pie already. This pumpkin unfortunately didn't finish developing. Wow, all these pumpkins from just one row. This pumpkin is massive. camera conveniently ran out of battery, so I had to run home, get it charged up. Now I'm back here, and it's still a race against time to get all these pumpkins harvested before it starts to rain. Let's see if we can do it. I got 30 from this row, 27, 27, 24, 23, 24, 25, 22, 27, plus 2 in this row, not to mention these 2 pumpkins that I grew in a cucumber row. Gotta count them all, yielding a grand total of 182 medium to large orange pumpkins. I also got 36 pie pumpkins, and finally, I got a whopping amount of white pumpkins. And I don't even feel like counting these, but there's probably between 70 to 80 pumpkins here. I also got 6 more white pumpkins from a single plant that I planted in a zucchini row. That's it for my pumpkin patch harvest. I wanted to line them all up so you can get a better idea just how many pumpkins I got from this 1/8 acre garden. I've always wanted to grow my own larger scale pumpkin patch, and now I finally did. I think I'm going to take home some of the best pumpkins here and carve them up for Halloween. And as for the rest, I'm really not sure what I'm going to do with them. My name's Lucas, I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you next time.